Hello guys, in the day video tutorial I'll show you how to integrate Gemini AI in our Flutterflow app. So first of all we need to create our project. So let's go with AI tutorial. Let's create it. It's loading. Then we can skip it. It's still loading, and here we can see AI button. So we just press plus and then give name to our AI agent. Let it be just test, I guess, a test agent create. Also we need to add some description about our AI agent. I will call it like it's a tutorial AI agent. Yep. Then we give system message. It's a role for our AI model, which will do tasks that users need. Let it be you are food fitness assistant. Okay, then we need to choose our provider. Let it be Google, because they offer some free AI models. Yep. And then we press Gemini 2.5 experimental. And then we just need to press publish. Yep, that's all. So next thing that we need to do is to create our page. Of course we need some text field for our prompts. Okay, let's put it in the bottom of our app. Also we need text for our response. I think that we need change their ordering. Let's make some margins. Oh. And also we need a button for upload our response, our prompt. Here we also need some margins. Upload. Okay. So let's change our hint. Oh my god. Seems that my network was disconnected. Okay. Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. We lose our progress. Okay. So let's add some logic to our okay AI agent. Send message. Test agent. Then we need to choose our ID, and it will be our current device location. No, not current device location, but time. Here. Then we choose text field as our prompt, and also we need output variable response. Okay. No. Okay, I think that's all.